Some people think they are untouchable until life humbles them. Iron strong, iron strong. Now, because he never jam blacksmith, no matter how strong you think you are, there is always something stronger. You get money today, you feel on top, you get power, you fit say nobody fit question you. Now, because you never jam your own blacksmith, life has a way of bringing your own blacksmith. Stay humble because the day you jam your own blacksmith, now that day you go understand how you reason am. I greet you specially